Today I'm going to show you another lock pick. I haven't used this lock before, and it's called Locksmith Security, and it's 32 millimeters. Okay. Now I'm going to see, this is a new lock, so it might be harder to do because it hasn't been used before. It looks pretty strong to me. I'm going to open it and close it to hear what I can hear when I put it in. There you go. There you go. So I put it in and it opens like that. I'm going to close it right now. And I'm going, oh, I'm going to put that one by here. I'm going to see if I can lock pick it. Okay, hang on. This one's a bit smaller, so I'm going to try to put that by there. Okay, and what one should I choose? I'm going to choose this one. Okay. Wait a minute. Let's double check. I haven't done this lock before, yeah. Pins up there. I'm going, oh, I need to put this on this side. Oh, there you go. Put like that. Don't put so much pressure on it like that. And then I'm going to use this picking tool. Okay. A minute. We'll try a different picking tool. Okay. Try it again. I need to listen out to the stuff. Well, I'll try it without the thing a minute, just so I can test the lock. Got 1 pin, 2 pin, 3 pin. Okay. 1 pin. Okay. Put that in there like that. So, oh, get it out and start again. I haven't done this lock, so it might take me ages to do. Never know. It's important to concentrate. This one fits the lock a bit more. On the bigger lock, this one doesn't fit as much, so I need to get another one of these. Okay. Okay, so put that like that. Okay, I'm just going to take this out just so I can hear a bit better what's going on. Okay, I have no idea about this lock yet. Listen out for it. Okay, just try. Okay, so I'm going to put this at the top like that. And I'm going to try this one. Okay, you can get that in. try a different one. I need to get these into shape a bit, I think. Try this one. It's quite a hard lock to do. Okay, so got okay, I'll get there. I'll get there. Okay. This is no good at the moment. Okay. Okay, oh, I hear one click. This is pretty hard to do. I'm just going to try it without using this for a minute, just so I can hear the clicking and stuff. Okay. Okay. Okay, this one's quite hard to do. I'm going to press it on this one again to see if I can get this open, just to remember how to do it. Okay. Okay, so put that one in there like that. And like, you go like that. Okay. Okay, this one's not working today either. Must be just me.
No, it's just Essie.
Yeah, just Essie. Okay. I'm just going to try with this one, because that one's not even working at the moment. Probably have bad days and good days. Still learning though, so that's the key.
If you had a key, you wouldn't have to pick it then.
I know. I know. So you can use it with this tool. Okay, I'm going to get this in. Wait a minute. Okay, try another tool. Okay. Try this one. Doesn't like to go in a bit, does it, this one? Oh. Okay. 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 I'll try it without this because just for a minute. Okay. Okay. I'm just check something out in a minute. These keys. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 5. Okay. I'm just gonna listen to the lock. Okay. Do it again. Just tight. Okay. Okay. Yeah. It's off my memory box thing, whatever it's called. Okay. As you can see, I'm in quite a lot of trouble. Okay. Maybe I'll get there. I think I've heard something then. Picking a lock is a lot harder than it looks. Okay. Okay. Now, let me try. What one did I want to try? Do I want to try this one? Like that? Okay. And now, try this one. Okay. Okay. Back like it's a bit bent. I thought it went then, but no, these fell off. I'll get there. Okay. Try this one more time. I'm not even going to bother trying that again. Okay. Okay. I'm going to put this in first. Like that. This lock is really hard. Quite a good lock. Okay. Back again. I'll try this one. Just remember how to do it. Okay. Oh, this one's stuck now. Oh. Let me try this. Let me get in. It's like something's broken inside it. The normal key won't even work. Sure, this is the normal key, isn't it? Yeah. That's why that's not working. I broke it. So, like that. Maybe I'm using the wrong key. So, okay. Look this. Okay. Okay, so something's going on now with me. Can't even. Pick a lock. Ah, I know. Try this one. Okay. Mm. Okay. Okay. Found them. Okay. Now, let me try this one. Yeah, if you want.
Are you recording?
Yeah,
Literally be a second.
it's okay, love. So, I can't get into this one. Really can't get in there. I just snapped my lock. Just snapped it. Okay,
What you snapped?
I snapped one of the... Yeah, so here is how you're supposed to get one out. Supposed to get it out with one of these. It's like a... So, something's stuck in there. See if the key will make it work. Yeah, it's still working. Okay. Oh. Okay, so close this back up. Not doing too good at all, but there you go.
You win some, you lose some.
Yeah, it does work like that. Not too bothered. It's really fun to do, and it's good to have a hard lock. I just don't seem to be getting
hard what?
a lock. I just don't seem to be doing it really well.
I'm going red though.
I'm still new at it, so I can't get it right all the time. I can hear the pins. They don't seem to be going. Don't seem to be going. It's always good to have this in. Like this. Okay, wait a minute. Okay. Now. Okay. Can't even get it in. Okay. Okay, I've been doing this for 23 minutes and I haven't picked this lock. Don't know what's going on today. Okay. Not going too good. I suppose I can maybe try this one. Don't think it will work, but try this one. Just try each one. Good to test them all out. Oh, it's gone the wrong way. Okay, it's not going my way. Okay. Okay, I've got some paper clips. Let's see if I can do it old school. You see, like on the movies, that you can do it with paper clips. It probably won't work. I can't even get it out. Okay. 2 paper clips. That's what I use. Okay. Oh. One bit like that to get the lock in like that. Okay. This might not work, by the way. And if they jump all about and I can't find them, I don't know where they go. Okay. Now I don't know where that other one went. It's flicked somewhere. I'll just get another one out. It's fine. Okay. So put that one in here like that. Right, and I'll just maybe make it a bit longer. Okay. No good at all. I'm making a show of myself now. Like, oh yeah, I can pick a lock, and it's not going to, well, today. All I've done is bend and snap my tools. Okay. Right, this one's a bit bent. Oh. Put this one in. I can't even pick this one up today. I don't know what's wrong with me. Like, that's a day I could do that. Like, oh, it's not even moving like that. All it's doing is bending my tools. It might be my tools what I'm using. Try one at a time. Pick one at a time. Like, I'm doing something wrong. I'm doing something wrong today. Can't even pick this one. Can't even pick it. I can't even keep that on there. It's like this more bendy today. I think I broken. I like proper bent. Oh my god. Oh, my foot. Okay, I'll try one more time. Okay. Just try a plain one. I feel like falling asleep now. Doesn't help when that falls out. snapped and went in my hand like this. It's the locks. I think the pair one I bought are just too cheap.
They do snap quite often though.
Yeah. I almost made myself bleed then. It went right in my skin. Okay. Okay, so this one snapped. That one's bent. This is one of the snap parts. That one snapped. 3 snap ones, 1 bent one. That one's okay. That one's okay. Oh, that one's a bit bent. That one snapped. 4 snap ones. 4 snap ones already. Okay. So just try one of these ones. This is the one that was good. I think it's too bent now though. Okay, you just straightened it out. Okay, again. Okay, put that back close. Just try about. Okay. It's like I can't even pick a lock at the moment, I'm afraid. I think this lesson today is not very good. Okay, I'm missing another tool I was looking for. This one. Try this one. Just try with this one because try to go in like that. Okay. Okay. Maybe I'm being a bit too heavy-handed or something. This one just don't want to move. Yeah. What about this one? Yeah, I did that one. Fine for this kid. So at least I picked one lock, but now it's this one. Try this one. When I'm doing it, I've got my eyes closed. Just trying to concentrate. This one's just not working. I can pick this one fine. Okay, I need to use the tools to pick this one. Like last time I used a couple of these ones, but they all snapped. I think I need to upgrade my tools now. I think I'm getting used to it. I need to upgrade my tools, but it's like okay, I'll get there. Need to be more gentle, I think. Okay. Okay, this one is not for this lock. But I didn't nick with that lock. It's the first time I picked a tool with this one. What is that bang by here? Try it again. Oh, this one won't even go in. Try just the broken one a minute. Now this one just doesn't want to open. Doesn't want to open at all. Oh, I've been doing this for ages. No, it's not working. Might eventually get it to work, but oh, my foot is asleep. But it doesn't seem to want to work. I have to just figure out where the pins are or something. Doesn't help that they all snap on me though. Okay, let me listen to this. Okay. Try for another 2 more minutes, otherwise I'm going to give up today and try again tomorrow.
Are you live or?
No, I'm just recording.
Oh.
Okay. This is just no good. I've been running, just counting now, for almost 40 minutes. It doesn't look like I'm picking it today. I picked that one fine. Half of my tools are breaking, so I think I need to upgrade to the next better thing. You can still use them, pick them. A lot of people can pick things with a thing like that. That's one's broken off. But it's a way to do it. I just have to figure out the way. Learn the lock. I think new locks are harder to pick. Like if you've had this for a couple of months and opened this like every day or every couple of days, and maybe it'd be easier to pick. This might be the easiest lock to pick in the road, but I'm not doing it. I can't do it. It might have to be a really hard one. A minute. But it's quite a hard turn on this one. When you turn it, it's quite hard. Okay, wait a minute. Right, it's not going. I'm going to give up today. Thank you all for watching. It is a hard lock to try and pick. For me anyway, I'm still new at this. It's a hobby for me. I just post in a blog, show you how I got on. You saw me do this one after loads of attempts, obviously. But I did it, so, and I just need to practice it on this one, and the more I do it, the better I get. I might do some more lock picking tonight, see if I can lock it. If I can't do it again, I'm going to make another video tomorrow and see if I can lock pick it tomorrow. But thank you for watching. It's been really fun, basically. Yeah, really fun. Hard fun. But it's fun. It's all fun at the end of the day, learning new skills by yourself, you know. So, yeah, I've got all these tools. It was £10 something for all these. As you can see, they're obviously cheap. All these. I had this one and this one. I had another one, but it was thinner, but that snapped. And half of these are snapped already, as you can see. So all these with the lock and keys and that for £10. So it's not so bad, but let's just try lock it. I'm really tired now. I'm going to try again tomorrow. Thank you for watching. No, bye for now.